Hi, this is the Arctis 3 2019 edition, the baby brother of the Arctis lineup. These are generally found for about £50 for the black edition and £60 for the white edition. There's another two in that lineup, the Arctis 5 which has USB and RGB, and the Arctis 7 which is wireless and also has RGB. All of the headsets use the same mic, the same drivers, and all have the same quality all the way through the lineup. The headset works with Nintendo Switch, Xbox, PS4, PC, and mobile devices. It comes with a retractable microphone. All the controls and connections are located on the left ear cup. A standard 3.5mm jack used for sharing audio. A proprietary cable connection. A volume wheel, and a mic mute button. The headset build quality is solid and has that premium feel. The fabric cushioning is also soft and comfortable on the ears. Also inside the box you'll get cables. One extension cable with headphone and mic jack on the end. This is used for the PC connection. The other, a proprietary cable with a 4-pole audio jack for use with consoles and mobile devices. As you can see, the new upgraded ear pads make for a snug fit, and I can see myself using these for those long gaming sessions. Now over to the microphone quality. As you can hear, it's exceptional quality for a headset at this price point even. It's up there with the top headsets like the Game Zero, which I used to record at the start of this video, and you probably can tell the quality is quite similar. Also, the headset is really light on me. There's not much playing around. Headband fits perfectly, fully adjustable. You can also buy different headbands, all different styles, on the SteelSeries website if you'd like to customize it even further. I do like the finish as well on the white version. It stands out a lot. But for anyone starting off gaming PCs, they want a budget headset that's going to last them a long time, I definitely recommend this SteelSeries. It's a good all-rounder, and you can't go wrong for 50 quid for the black edition and about 60 quid, Great British pounds, for the white edition. And it's going to last you a while. And there's no frills, it's nice and basic, sleek looking. Quality's all there. And yeah, what more can you ask for, really? I definitely recommend it. I'll give it 4 stars out of 5. Mainly because at the start I did find I had to stretch the headset out quite a distance so that it would fit my head and fit comfortably, because it was squeezing initially, right, especially around the tops of my ears here. It's squeezing in. I did try adjusting the band, but that was not changing it. Well, that pretty much sums up my quick review of the SteelSeries Arctis 3 headset. Any questions, feel free to post in the comment section below. And also, if you like this, give it a like. If you disliked it, you know what to do. And also subscribe if you want to watch and see any more videos like this in the future. Thank you very much, guys. Bye.